Hello everyone. Today we will be seeing mode. Mode is the value which occurs most frequently in a set of observations. In the words of Croxton and Cowden, the mode of a distribution is a value at the point around which the items tend to move heavily concentrated. It may be regarded as the most typical of a series of values. For example, if we have the values, given values are 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2. Here we can see that 2 is repeated 4 times. 2 is repeated once, 2, 3 and 4 times. 3 is repeated 1, 2 and 3 times. 4 is repeated again 2 times. 5 is repeated 2 times. So here we can say that the mode is 2 since 2 is repeated more number of times. So in simple terms, the mode is a value which occurs most frequently in a set of observations. Mode can be found out by calculation method and graphical method. Calculation method for ungrouped data, that is raw data. The steps to solve observations which is repeated most frequently is mode. Let us see an example. Find the mode of the given values. 1 is repeated 2 times, 2 is repeated 5 times, 3 is repeated 4 times. So we need to count the given observations, it is repeated how many times. Now here if you see the number of times all the observations are repeated, the highest frequency is 5 times and the value is 2. Hence, we consider mode, the value of mode as 2. Find the mode of the observations. Now here we can see clearly that mode is 35 because 35 is repeated 2 times. Calculation method for discrete data. Steps to solve. Mode is the value of the variable corresponding to the maximum frequency. So first from the given table, find the maximum frequency. Whatever is the value corresponding to the maximum frequency under X is your mode. For example, find the mode. X is given and F is given. Solution. First let us see of the highest frequency. Highest frequency is 9. So this class is considered as a model class and the highest frequency is 9. The corresponding value of the highest frequency is 8. Hence, the value of mode is 8. Let us see one more example. Number of fully formed apples on few plants were counted and the result is here. You are supposed to find the model number of apples. Now, to find the model number of apples, consider the plants and consider the highest frequency here. The highest frequency, we can see that highest frequency is 24. 24 is the highest frequency. The corresponding value is 5. Hence, the value of mode is 5. Calculation method for continuous data. First, find the model class. Whichever class has the maximum frequency is considered as the model class. And the value of the mode is calculated by this formula. Mode equals to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon F1 minus F0 plus F1 minus F2 into H, where L1 is the lower limit of the model class, F1 is the frequency of the model class, that is the maximum frequency, F0 is the frequency of the preceding model class. that is before the model class, and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class next to the model class. H is the magnitude or width, that is L2 minus L1. Let us see for an example. Find the mode from the data given below. So forming the table, here we can see that first let us select the model class. 7 is the having the highest frequency. So number of person 7, this is considered as a model class. So we get the value of 50 to 60 is the class interval. The values are, this becomes your L1, L2, which will give you H, and 7 is your F1, 5 is F0, and 4 is your F2. Moving on to the formula, substituting the values of all this, we get 50 plus 20 by 5, which is 50. Find the mode for the data given below. Annual sales and frequency is given. When we consider the annual sales and frequency, here we can see that the highest frequency is 20. So this class will become your model class, and the class interval is 30 to 40. So hence this is your value of L1, this becomes your L2. So H is 40 minus 30, and frequency of the model class is F1. Above this is F0, 15, and below this is F2. So 20 is F1. Applying the formula, mode equals to L1 plus F1 minus F0, that is 20 minus 15 upon 20 minus 15 plus 20 minus 7 into H. H is 40 minus 30, which is 30 plus 5 upon 18 into 10, which is 30 plus 2.78, that is 32.78. The reference book from the problems which the problems are taken are Fundamental of Statistics by S.E. Gupta. Hope the session is clear to you all. Thank you.